The Divi anniversary sale starts right now. And this year, we are offering bigger discounts than we have ever offered in any previous sale for the past 16 years. You can get 70% off Divi Pro and over 50% off Divi AI, which are even bigger discounts than we offered during last year's Black Friday sale. It's a bit of an experiment, and I'm not sure if we'll ever do it again, so this might be your only chance to lock in those savings. But that's not all. There are huge discounts across the entire Divi ecosystem, including 40% off Divi Cloud, Divi VIP, and Divi Teams, and up to 50% off in the Divi Marketplace, where you can pick up unique Divi modules, layouts, and child themes. Plus, you can save even more when you purchase a Divi bundle. It's simple. The more products in the bundle, the bigger the savings. You can get Divi AI, Divi VIP, and Divi Cloud together for less than the regular price of Divi AI on its own. You can even bundle your current subscriptions to save hundreds or thousands of dollars in the future. For example, suppose you are already a Divi AI, and Divi VIP subscriber. In that case, you can purchase that bundle of products today, replacing your a la carte subscriptions and saving 60% annually. Head over to elegantthemes.com/anniversary to access the sale. You could purchase a Divi or Divi Pro membership if you are new to Divi. And if you're already a Divi customer, you can explore our wide range of Divi services, product bundles, and hundreds of modules, layouts, and child themes in the Divi Marketplace. You'll also find a link to our 2023 Year in Review, where we showcase everything that's been happening in the Divi community over the past year. We share some surprising stats and recap last year's feature releases and our progress on Divi 5. The Divi anniversary sale only comes once yearly and will only be available briefly, so don't miss your chance. Head over to elegantthemes.com/anniversary before it's too late.